Hello there, mommies and daddies, and your little bundle of joy. Get ready as we unravel your reading seats kit. This little reader's treasure box was specially crafted and curated to instill a love of reading from a young age and to support early literacy development. This kit contains a set of baby milestone cards, a baby developmental milestones chart, developmental wooden blocks, learning books on alphabets and numbers, shapes, and colors, 2 sets of storybooks in English and Bahasa Malaysia, a height chart, a baby's profile poster, and a guide on how to download the MeBooks app. Take pictures with the baby milestone cards to remember each moment. Mark the progress of your little one with the height chart and baby's profile poster. Use the baby developmental milestones chart and wooden blocks as a guide for your child's development. For instance, you can see your child smile as early as 6 weeks old. See them stack up to 3 wooden blocks at 18 months, and see them hop on 1 foot at the age of 4. Learn alphabets, numbers, shapes, and colors in English and Bahasa Malaysia with our learning books. Start your reading adventure with 2 sets of bilingual storybooks, Ambrose and Friends, and Love, Hopes, and Dreams, produced by Malaysian authors and illustrators. And that's not all. As part of our Reading Seats program in collaboration with the Sarawak State Library, you will also get the MeBooks app with over 400 children's books. All books come with built-in and customizable audio narration and sound effects. First, go to mebooks.asia/reading seats and register your email and username. Download the app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and enter the email registered on mebooks.asia/reading seats. That's it! Just select a book and tap on the multicolored button. Click on any character or sentence on the page to listen to default narrations by professional voice actors.
Di saat aku membuka mata untuk kali pertama, segalanya kelihatan kabur.
To customize your own, just create a shape, then hold down to record your voice.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
The possibilities are endless as you become your own master storyteller. We hope you and your little one will be able to nurture this reading seed together and sow a love of reading into the next generation.